Hello, I would like to ask you a few questions about life. We can do this the easy way, or the hard way. Why are you a bunny? Hey, I said why are you a bunny? Not talking A. Henderson. Why the fuck won't you talk? Well, we had ways to make you talk. I did your mother yesterday and this is what it sounded like. Oh yes, give me some more. Your mom is so fat, and her favorite food is seconds. Your mama is so fat, and when she went bungee jumping, she went straight to hell. Damn, this is one tough rabbit. Your mom is so ugly, and they put a picture of her on the monkey cage to keep the monkeys from jacking off. God damn it, why fuck you don't talk, are you retarded or something? What color is my underwear? Wrong answer. Henderson. Where were you on the day of tomorrow? Not talking, eh? Henderson, go get him. I want to play a game. The books are on a timer. You have 1 minute to free your friends, or else the books will kill them. Let the game begin. Wow, you didn't even move. You let your friends die. I'm gonna pop you, homie. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, I'm screwed. Fuck, 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 fuck.